Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're taking a mini field trip to the snow up in Mt Baldy. So let's have a little snow day.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Watch your hand. Yep. Oh, good. Your camera.
Hello. Enjoy the ride down.
Thank you. Enjoy the ride up.
Thanks.
That looks like a brick.
Snow day! Snows here in California too.
So they say.
Love it. kids are going sledding or tubing, and we're gonna see them have a little fun going down the hill in the tube. Right there. So. Snow day. Alright friends, there you have it, our snow day to Mount Baldy. Now it was a great day getting to spend time with my godchildren and some good friends, and overall just seeing everyone have a good time. It was truly an amazing day, and definitely with the sun coming out, it was worth it. Now Mount Baldy is about an hour east of Los Angeles, so it's a bit of a drive, but definitely worth it to go to the mountains. If you want a snow day or a beach day, you can have both in the winter in California. I will put the link in the description below if you want to check out any other information on Mt Baldy for an upcoming trip. And with that, we will leave it here. Thank you so much for joining us on this snow day. I hope you had a really good time. If you like this adventure and want to see more just like it, please do give this video a like, as it does help, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures to come just like this. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.